Read the sentences and answer the questions. Page number 19. Our emperor wants to meet Tenali Rama. Who said these words and to whom? The messenger of Babur said these words to Raja Krishnadev Rai of Vijayanagar. What was the name of the emperor who wanted to meet Tenali? Emperor Babur wants to meet Tenali. What did the listener say to Tenali Rama after this? The listener, Krishnadev Rai, ordered Tenali Rama to go to the kingdom and prove his intelligence and wit there. What was Tenali's response? Tenali was ready to go to Babur's court and impress the audience there. Second, you are every bit as intelligent and wise as I heard. Who said these words and to whom? Emperor Babur said these words to Tenali Rama. Where were the speaker and the listener at this time? The speaker and the listener were at Babur's court in Delhi. Why did the speaker call the person intelligent and witty? Emperor Babur called Tenali Rama intelligent because he proved his intelligence by the act of old laborer planting the mango sapling. What did the speaker do immediately after this? The speaker, Emperor Babur, gifted Tenali Rama many things in his court immediately after this. Page 20. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. The words are reward, trump, intelligent, disguise, excuse, humble. Reward means इनाम देना, trump means जीत, intelligence means बुद्धिमती, disguise means अपनी appearance change कर देना, excuse means कुछ बहाना, humble means very polite. Tenali Rama was famous for his intelligence. The princess said to the shepherd, if you bring me the singing flower, I will reward you with 5 bags of gold. मैं तुम्हें इनाम दूंगी. Reward. It was a great triumph. Triumph means जीत for Australia when they lifted the Cricket World Cup in 2015. Apurva has not yet returned my book. Every time I ask her, she has an excuse. उसके पास कोई ना कोई एक बहाना होता है. Suniti is a successful and famous actor, but she is as humble as ever. पर फिर भी वो बहुत ही humble है, polite है. Aman was disguised as a policeman in the school concert. School concert में अमन disguise होके means वेश बदल के एक policeman के रूप में आया था. E exercise. The words in capital are from the story. Circle the correct antonym for each. बच्चों ये जो वर्ड्स हैं इसके हमें एंटोनिम फाइंड करने हैं. एंटोनिम मीन्स ऑपोजिट्स. एमिस परफेक्ट, अटैक डिफेंड. अटैक माने आक्रमण करना, डिफेंड माने बचाव करना. ऑनर मीन्स इज्जत, इंसल्ट बेइज्जती. विटी, विटी मीन्स फनी. स्टूपिड ऑपोजिट. गेन फायदा होना, लूज हारना, नुकसान होना. रिच अमीर, नीडी ज़रूरतमंद. डिफीट बने हराना, ट्रम्फ अपोजिट जीतना. हम्बल पोलाइट. एरोगेंट मीन्स वेरी रूड. रिवॉर्डेड मीन्स इनाम देना. पनिश्ड माने इनाम नहीं देना, पनिश करना. एडमायर मीन्स किसी को प्रेज करना, लाइक करना. डिसलाइक इज अपोजिट. अम्यूजिंग माने हंसाना. बोरिंग मीन्स बोर करना. प्लीज्ड माने इम्प्रेस होना. एनॉयड माने एंग्री होना. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज पंक्चुएशन. रीराइट दिस पैराग्राफ इन योर नोटबुक विद फुल स्टॉप्स, क्वेश्चन मार्क्स, एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क्स एंड कैपिटल लेटर्स. लेट अस स्टडी दिस. T capital, R capital, popularly known as Tenali, T capital, Rama, R capital, was a court poet of K. Krishnadev Rai capital, Vijayanagar, V capital, full stop. H capital, he was known for his wit and poetry. T capital, Tenali, sorry, full stop will be here. Then T capital, Tenali was a carefree child, full stop. 1 O capital, one day he met a hermit होते एक पंडित, who advised him to pray to goddess Kali. G capital, K capital, full stop. The T capital, the goddess appeared with 1,000 faces and looked terrifying. Tenali, T capital, burst into laughter, full stop. How can you laugh at me? Question mark, asked Kali. K capital, angrily, full stop. Oh mother, forgive me, said Tenali. T capital, but के inverted comma के बाद but का B capital. But how do you wipe 1,000 noses when you have a cold? लेकिन माता रानी, जब आपको कोल्ड होता है तो आप अपनी बहुत सारी नोजेस कैसे साफ करते हो? The boy's sense of humor pleased goddess Kali. G capital, K capital, full stop. बच्चे की बात से तेनाली की बात से माता काली भी बहुत इम्प्रेस हो गई. You will be a great jester and make people laugh. She blessed him. Full stop in the last. Grammar fun. Children, a sentence is divided into two parts, subject and predicate. So a sentence has two parts, the subject and the predicate. Very easy to understand. See this example. Our emperor wants to meet Tenali Rama. Now, who wants to meet? Our emperor. So our emperor is the subject here. जो आंसर करता है ना हु का, वो होता है सब्जेक्ट, एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट इंक्लूडिंग द वर्ब इज द प्रेडिकेट पार्ट. सी, कोरोना वायरस इज अ पेंडेमिक. हु? कोरोना वायरस. So coronavirus is the subject, is a pandemic is a predicate part. Okay, let's do this exercise. Exercise G. Match the subjects with the correct predicates to complete the sentences. ठीक है, सब्जेक्ट इस तरफ है, प्रेडिकेट से मैच करेंगे. The young one of a lion is called a cub. उसे कब कहते हैं? A pair of pigeons has made a nest on the window ledge. Tamil is one of the oldest languages in the world. Our telephone has no dial tone again. Mountaineering requires a lot of training and experiences. So here it goes. Exercise H. Circle the subject and underline the predicate in each of these sentences. Children, I told you subject आंसर करता है who का, और बाकी जो सेंटेंस बचता है जिसमें वर्ब भी इंक्लूड होती है, दैट इज द प्रेडिकेट. तो बहुत ईजी है. तेनाली रामा अराइव्ड एट बाबर्स कोर्ट. हु? तेनाली रामा. सो तेनाली रामा इज द सब्जेक्ट, रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट इज द प्रेडिकेट. सेकेंड, द ओल्ड मैन एक्सेप्टेड द बैग ऑफ गोल्ड कॉइन्स. हु? द ओल्ड मैन. द ओल्ड मैन इज द सब्जेक्ट, एक्सेप्टेड द बैग ऑफ गोल्ड कॉइन्स फ्रॉम द किंग इज द प्रेडिकेट. द हिमालयन मोनल इज द स्टेट बर्ड ऑफ Uttarakhand, this bird. Who? The Himalayan molan. So it is the subject, rest is the predicate. Kokila is the best pace bowler in our team. Who? Kokila. So Kokila is the subject, is the best pace bowler in our team is the predicate. Asad and his mother love working in the garden. Who? Asad and his mother. Subject, love working in the garden is the predicate part. Children, please give comments in the comment section that which kind of videos do you want and send your suggestions too. Thank you.